Don't do a lot of Makita videos on this channel. And that pesky Makita gnome, he's, well, very pesky. Apparently they don't like negative reviews over there at Makita. However, I know that there's still a lot of Makita fans. Well, I won't say a lot, but there's a few Makita fans on this channel that they want to see new products. And, well, I got some new products that they just released. That's right, you heard me, gnome. So let's talk about what the Makita Gnome came out with. There's 4 new products that I'm going to show you today. If you're interested in any of these, I'll put a link in the description below. You can check them out for yourself. Now, the first one here looks a little bit bigger up in the picture, but I can see that it's not. It's a smaller, compact size, numerous applications blower. The Outdoor Adventure 18 volt LXT high-speed blower inflator, which is pretty cool. Is a handheld solution with a convenient inline design for focused dust and debris removal. So we're going to talk about the specs here. I'm going to try to find the price for you. Apparently they decided to go camo color on this instead of their traditional blue, which whatever, it's for adventure. The Outdoor Adventure trademark 18 volt LXT brushless cordless high-speed blower inflator tool only. Talk about where to buy, but here's the spec. So it's a built-in brushless motor, delivers up to 447 miles per hour, which is pretty impressive for something that's the size of a drill, I would think. 39 CFMs, not that much, but again, the size of a drill. 4 digitally controlled speeds with 5 nozzles for a wide range of applications. Up to 55 minutes of runtime with the 18 volt LXT 6.0 battery. Compact length at only 7 inches, ideal for working in tight spaces. Tool only, battery and charger not included. Okay, let's look at the applications. Okay, so I get it. All right, so this is cool. It's for like inflating your rafts, pool equipment, you know, kayak, I guess, whatever. What else I got going over here? This is another picture of a kayak. Okay, so you get a hose with this, looks like extended hose. Okay, I get it. So like mattresses, blowing off your bike chain, brakes, whatever, and the guy's just leaving it here. I wouldn't leave it on the beach. Someone's going to steal it. Don't you care about your tools? Don't you care about your stuff? I don't know. I kind of dig the color, I guess. Curious to know what you think. Let's see if I can find a price. Yep, that sounds like Makita. $194.99 for the tool only, and that's what I'm finding over here. I'll see if I can find other prices, and if I can find them, I'll leave them in the link description below if you want to buy this for $194.99. That Makita Gnome wants your money. Hush. So the next one up is the 40 volt max XGT brushless cordless 13/16 SDS plus AVT rotary hammer kit with dust extractor. There's a lot of words in this. AWS compatible. This is the model number. Is a cordless concretus solution designed for heavy load application. So here's another thing about Makita and why I never do their press releases, because they're horrible. Never have any prices. It says view online. It says we're sorry. I'm trying to find a price. Find local. It doesn't give me any information. I guess the best I can do for you is show you a couple more pictures and then talk about the specs. Applications, obviously you know what this is about, what this is for. It's not even working. Come on, applications. I'll just go through different pictures. Yeah, he's going overhead. You know, it's for the concretus, obviously. I don't know. That's why this Makita Gnome is so pesky. It makes everything so hard for me to find. Battery 40 volt max, vibrations 9.1, optimal range. I'm not gonna read all this. You got it. And then what does it include? Let me click on this. There you go. This is what it includes. I hope you enjoy that. Let's move it to the next one. So this is the new LXT 18 volt compact LED flashlight only. It's giving me a little something when it comes to information. You got your neutral, I can't read that. Neutral white LED light, LED brightness 3 mode, 300 lumens, 150 lumens, 150 lumens top and side. Okay, so you got 300 total with that. Rubberized soft grip. You got the USB charging. It's a USB. It's not even a C port. Hence another reason why that pesky Makita Gnome is so pesky. It wouldn't even put a C port on there for you. You going USB, bro? Looks like it got a little lanyard up on top. I guess that's all right. $49, not that bad of a price for that, I would say. Yeah, I don't know what that button right there does. Oh, okay, so that turns your USB on. Not your C port, your USB. Again, I'll put a link in the description below. It helps out the channel. Here's another one for you. This is the new, well, Milwaukee. Some people know them as Milwaukee, call them hatchets, but it's like a pruning saw. Where does it say? The LXT 18 volt brushless 6-inch pruning saw is both lightweight and compact. Let me click on this right here. A couple different pictures for you right here. I believe we got a 360-degree rotation for this thing. I don't know why this thing takes a while to load up, but let me click on this here and we'll swing it around. Oh, what? 360 degrees on a battery? What? I want to do it on the tool, not the battery. Pesky Makita gnome. Here's your specs for this. Just pause the video. I don't want to read all of this. You get the point. Net weight 2.9 pounds. That's not real bad. Net weight with the battery, which you don't really usually see a lot of companies actually tell you the net weight with the battery. They always give you the net weight without. But 3.7 pounds, really not that heavy. It's pretty real nice. Like, what's going on here? What just happened? Click on this here. Oh, this is just their. And then here's the features of it: up to 140 cuts and 2-inch cedar with the 2H battery. Tool-free chain adjustment. You get the point. It's right here. You can read all this. Just pause the video. So there you go. Me and Makita, no, we do not get along. However, you know, there are still a few of you out there that use Makita tools, and I wanted to bring this to you. You know, you have a right to see what's coming out in your line as well. I'll see if I can track these down. Leave them in the description below if you're interested in purchasing them. If you want to see more tool releases, get subscribed, hit the bell notification, smash this like button. And if you could share this out to the 1 or 2 people that you know that still might use Makita tools, that would be greatly appreciated. Be back with more videos soon.